We've been talking about this trip for the longest time, and at last we finally made it happen. We packed our bags and headed to Camp Roscoe, deep in the province of Abra. We stayed in a cabin right by the river, cooked great food, went kayaking, played pickleball, and of course, spent plenty of time swimming in the river. Here is a look at our Abra trip. Morning! So, 5:30 ng umaga. Ngayon, kita nyo sunrise. Nire-ready lang namin yung ibang gamit. Tapos, yun, biyahe na kami. Mga 4 hours yung biyahe. So, chill lang. Chill driving lang. Enjoy the road trip. At minsan lang din makapag-travel yung mga tropa. Ayun. I was really excited to visit Abra again, especially since I got to share it with my wife and friends this time. It took us 4 hours to reach our destination, and we were starving. Luckily, we had packed food for the trip. Tas had prepared and cooked Ilocos Higado and chicken afritada, which we happily devoured. So, andito lang tropa. Sup, Camp Roscoe na. Sup, buding? Busog ka na?
Oo, sir.
Alright.
Super tip na yung kwan pagdating.
Okay. Dito sa Camp Roscoe, explore muna kami. Daming pine tree, parang nasa Camp Janhay. Pero parang Dubai yung kainit. Summer ba naman? Kaninong idea bang pumunta rito ng summer? Right after lunch, I took a quick tour around the camp. It was a weekend, so there were a lot of guests. Apparently, Camp Roscoe is very popular among the locals. So, nakarating na kami dito sa Camp Roscoe. Init. Pero okay, maliwalas. Daming pine trees. May mga playground, may mga cottage din. May mga trail, ATV trail. Ayos. Ang laki ng space dito. Ilang hectares siguro to. Kasi yung entrance pa lang, ilang minutes na bago papasok eh. Pero not sure kung itong buo is isa lang may-ari. Pero ang linis, tahimik. Tapos may mga guest din kasi Sabado. Ito, chinecheck ko ngayon yung route ng ATV route. Kung saan pupunta. Kasi gusto kong makita yung saan nanggagaling yung river. Ito paikot lang pala to. Dito medyo mabilis. Ganda, linis ng tubig oh. Very clean. Oh, may kalabaw. May naliligong kalabaw. May kalabaw doon. Ayos. Bale doon na banda is yung cottage tsaka yung Camp Roscoe. I explored further and the camp was massive. They had a playground, a cafe, cottages for day tour guests, ATVs, volleyball and pickleball courts, small lakes, and more. There was so much to do, but I needed to head back to the cabin to rest for a bit. When I got back to the cabin, I saw that Mac and his family had finally arrived. We decided to take a dip in the river. After a while, we collected rocks and tried skipping them. Buding was definitely up for the challenge. Alright, go!
Uy, dito.
Pito ba yun?
Oo, tingnan mo sila ulit. Bilangin mo sa kanya sa video.
Ilan yun?
Sa akin, 7 ah.
Pito?
Tingnan mo, video mo to.
Cheers, Tito! Cheers! Just as we were setting up, the weather suddenly changed and the sky grew dark. It started to rain. Talk about great timing. While everyone else was enjoying the rain, someone else, not so much.
Lakas ng thunderstorm, biglang umulan. Ngayon kasama ko yung mga babies, fur babies, Sachi. Tsaka syempre, si Yuri. Takot na. Takot sa thunderstorm yarn.
Yuri hates the rain and thunder, so I played her go-to soothing music to help her relax.
Now here I go again. I see the crystal fish.
After the rain cleared, we went back to the river to chill for a bit. Buding, isa ka? Asa ka?
Welcome to Abra. Here at Camp Roscoe.
Yes, sir!
Ang masabi mo dito sa Camp Roscoe?
Diving. Maganda.
Ano ba?
Ilog. Refreshing. Nature.
Noon.
Maganda.
Alam mo ba yung ginawa mo nung nag-ano tayo, nag-hike tayo dati? Di ba, tinanong mo yung mga nakapatong na bato, bro? Ay, wish pala ng tao yun, Brad. Dahil bastos mo talaga.
Malay ko ba?
sa trail, bro. Eh, sinipa ba naman ito? Lakas ng trip.
Pero alam mong wish yun.
Kasi kung di ko alam to, di ko gagalawin.
Tamaan mo ha?
Sige, batoy mo!
Sige po!
Morning! This is our second day here in Camp Roscoe. We decided to extend our stay here kasi para ma-relax tsaka masulit din so malayo yung biyahe.
And later we'll go to the market.
So we're going for a walk.
Day 2 was filled with fun activities. We started with the morning walk around the camp. It was very relaxing, quiet, and surprisingly cool since it had rained the night before. We stumbled upon the lake and saw the kayaks. We were so excited to try them out. However, we were still hungry and feeling a bit hungover, so we decided to head back to the cabin to cook breakfast instead. After breakfast, Buding and Cypher rented out the pickleball court. We played one-on-one matches and had a blast. We didn't exactly know the official rules, but we just played and went for it anyway.
Dito kami ngayon sa Talipapa, sa San Juan, Barangay San Juan. Tahimik dito, ang daming puno. Pero ang problema, wala silang market ngayong Sunday. So TTHS lang daw ang market day nila ngayon. Siguro konti lang tao dito kaya ganun. Ayun, bibili kami ng gulay, pang lunch at dinner na rin. Check natin kung anong meron sa talipapa.
Oo. Anong ganito? Pwede ba? Hindi na to. Ano bang gusto mo? Pechay.
When we got back, the gang went straight to prepping our meal. While the food was cooking, we shared stories and relaxed by the river.
Bro, anong masasabi mo dito sa Camp Roscoe?
Okay sana.
Oh.
May downfalls. Yung kwan bro, stock.
Ano?
Medyo may issue sa stock.
Anong issue sa mga empleyado dito?
Medyo tamad.
Tamad.
At snob. Tapos, problema sa SOCMED. Unresponsive.
Oh, pero overall,
All in all, 3 out of 5 star.
3 out of 5. Ano man yung maganda rito, bro?
Maganda yung ambience bro. Tapos talagang one with the nature.
Malawak.
Oh, sir.
Lawak, no? Babalik ka dito kung sakali.
Oh bro. Kahit malayo. It's worth the trouble.
Ano niluluto mo?
Sinigang! Sinigengeng!
Na?
Bevoy!
Magkano ang per kilo nila dito sa Abra?
330!
330, yung mura. Maasim ba yan? Kasing asim ng...
Kilik-kilik ko.
Ito lang ang gagawin mo dyan sa bangus.
Ipapalangoy ko.
Finally, lunch was ready. We had pork sinigang, grilled bangus, and for dessert, halo-halo. It was absolutely perfect for the hot weather. After a hearty lunch, we headed to the lake to try our hand at kayaking. First, Mac and Mati tested the waters. Since they've experienced swimmers, they checked to see how deep the lake really was. After a few dives and some deep breathing, Buding and Cypher took their turn and turned it into a friendly race.
Huli ka! Dito kami, kakatapos lang magkayak. Init!
We had such great time out on the water, but eventually, we decided to head back to the cabin to rest. It was hot and humid outside, so we decided to head up to our room to chill and relax for our final night in Abra.
Dito kami ngayon sa kwarto, nagti-chill.
Sir, discounted. Yung alak namin, San Bautista,
Oo, si Ninong, di ba? Mula 250, ay 260, naging 250 na lang.
Wala 280, naging 250.
280, naging 250. Ibang timpuyog. Thanks, Congressman.
Yes.
Ninong, thank you.
Dumogan.
We laughed and shared stories until we drank a bit too much and finally drifted off to sleep.
Morning! Check out na kami mamaya. Sarap ng kain ng tropa. Breakfast.
We woke up bright and early to get breakfast ready. It was a really chill, quiet morning, and since most of the other guests had already cleared out, we had the place to ourselves. After breakfast, we packed our bags and prepared for checkout.
Saan punta?
Uwi na.
Check out na?
Back to normal.
But before leaving, we decided to head up to the view deck to take it all in.
Good morning! Magche-check out na kami. Pero bagong mag-check out, puntahan namin yung trail paakyat noon, bundok. Check natin yung mountain view ng Abra. Ganda ata dun, sabi ni Mac eh. Kaya check natin bago tayo umalis sa Camp Roscoe.
It was quite a climb, but it was absolutely worth it.
Boom! Wow!
Wow, bro.
Wow!
Buong Abra, bro. Ayun, bagyo na yun, no?
Oh.
From the top, you get a full 360-degree view of the property, with the mountains, the river, and the forest stretching out all around us. It was the perfect way to end our vacation. They say the best trips are the ones that leave you wanting just one more day. We're leaving Camp Roscoe feeling recharged and reminded of how important it is to just slow down and enjoy the view. Thanks for the memories, Abra. See you next time.